Happy Halloween, Boilz and Ghouls! We are on the road in the Monstermobile headed to another haunted house, and we happen to notice that on the way there is a brand new store opening today that's on our route, and it is called GoblinHaus? 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 I don't know. It has something to do with goblins, masks, and toys.
We have seen these guys before. I do believe at CreepyCon. I think that's where we've seen them before.
GoblinHaus.
And they make masks that are vintage Ben Cooper plastic type masks. And they're very affordable and really awesome. These masks are actually being used at Universal Studios in a scare zone called the Cat Lady of Crooked Lane. So that's freaking awesome. If there's little kids that are walking up and down the road and they're all wearing the Ben Cooper looking masks, GoblinHaus.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
That's awesome.
Well, and apparently they just opened a brick and mortar store right on the route in Tennessee to where we're headed tonight, located in White Pine, Tennessee. That they apparently had their grand opening today, and we were passing right by it, so we figured, heck, let's swing by and check out this brand new store and see what they have to offer. We're only gonna have about 30 minutes to run through and check out all the coolness, but I'm really stoked because what a better time to check out a cool place like this than during October and Halloween.
Very excited.
All right, guys, so let's head to GoblinHaus. Let's go. This is so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Look. Oh, they have figures. Ah! So cool. Oh my god, there's so much. Dwayne, they got movies for $2.
Oh wow, awesome.
This is my new favorite store.
She is for sale.
This is cool. Isn't there so many good things?
Look, the masks are 13 bucks. And the bags are $2, so that's 15 bucks. Pick out a mask, we'll get one.
Yo, this is where you get your Halloween costume. Let me wipe y'all, make sure you're clean. Y'all be looking crusty.
Bag.
It's only 30. It's on low. That's awesome. Look, they got that killer. Yo. Oh man, have you seen this one yet?
Once, I do believe.
She's a beautiful lady. Listen, they even got good music playing in here.
Yeah. I love that. Nice. The bread, yeah.
Ooh, about Scooby-Doo.
Look, yeah, like.
Look, they have this one.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, they have a whole rack of stuff. Oh my god!
It's like yours. Yeah. Oh, it's got the freaking hoodie on it. Dude, nice. Dude, that is awesome.
Dang, why do I gotta be so bad? That's really a beautiful jacket. I love that.
That's awesome.
Man, hey, I have that shirt.
Yeah.
That's funny.
I like that.
That's great. Ooh, Dracula. Mommy.
Killer clowns.
Look.
Yeah.
Menu?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Jaws. The chain.
It's so many patches.
I'm so. Ooh, look at They're Halloween. Wow. Oh, look at the bag. I like that bag.
It's some good stuff. Look, it's me.
It's me. Silly. Dang, yo, I have so many patches I need to sew on my jacket, and this is not helping my situation.
What is it?
Right here.
Oh, the freaking other one?
Yeah.
They're $6 each.
Yeah.
Those aren't for sale. Those are old classic vintage ones. Look, there's Bobby Yaga.
Look inside.
Yeah.
Here. Yo, Dwizzle.
Oh, I need Blobkin, the pumpkin one, because I have these two. I got them like a couple years back, and I wouldn't mind getting like a old school looking one, one of the originals. The space ones are cool, the bat ones in there. These shirts are over there. It's a GoblinHaus. Those are GoblinHaus shoes. Look at that one. I love this. These are 18.
He said darting. I'll keep right back here.
These are little wind-up toys. That's awesome. Look at all these colors. Dwayne.
What?
He has everyone.
Yeah, he has all of them. Yeah, most of them, yeah. There's a lot of them, so yeah.
What's this?
It's so really? That's cool. I like this cover there too.
Yeah. Like a monitor.
The ho-ho zombie.
He's crazy looking too.
Yeah.
This one.
Yep.
Yeah, see, look, we were talking about this mask here. I guess it's just this one is being utilized at Halloween Horror Nights. The Lurker at the Cat Lady of Crooked Lane Scare Zone. Isn't that rad? So you could be the Lurker for Halloween. Be the Lurker.
I like these three, honestly. Those are that one. These three are the ones I like the most.
Which one should he get? Which one should he get? Which one should he get?
This one actually matches my shirt, my zombie shirt.
Huh. The one.
Yeah, and the eye holes
With the
are
rib?
super tiny, because look at that.
Okay, do the bigger eye
You
hole.
like that one? Listen to the music.
The music.
I think that's all.
We got married to this song.
Yeah. Stevie walked down the aisle with this song.
So cool.
I was so excited for this.
That is amazing.
I was nerding out,
I know.
and he was too. He was an awesome guy. Very cool.
Show me your bag. He also got a really sweet
bag,
bag.
and he threw me some stickers.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Cool.
very cool. I told him I was like, one of those is going on the Monster Mobile for sure.
Yeah.
Very
Got a
cool.
sweet bag. So look at the bag. It's all of them. It's some of the masks that were on the wall.
$2 for the bag. I was not about to walk away without a $2 bag. I mean, come on, that's
we
so
were
awesome.
thinking of going trick-or-treating this year.
Now we got a bag.
Now you got a bag.
And a mask.
All right, guys, that was GoblinHaus in White Pine, Tennessee. Their very first brick and mortar store. Guys, that store was so cool.
That was awesome.
They have so much space to expand. They were telling us in there. That was very nice to meet them. Thank you for letting us film inside your store real quick before you closed on your first day. But they were telling us everything in there was just stuff that they had in their house from the online shop.
They've had an online shop for quite a while.
Yeah.
And now they've got a brick and mortar store, and that is great.
Yeah, so they've got a lot of space to expand with a lot of cool new things and some local artist type things. So we're gonna have to come back specifically here to see GoblinHaus.
I want more masks. These are awesome.
So cool.
I gotta collect them all.
All right, guys, you know we are hopping back in the Monster Mobile and we are headed to another haunted house. So stay tuned. We've got a couple of haunts coming your way. But we had to make a pit stop here in White Pine, Tennessee to check out GoblinHaus.
That's right.
And guys, if you were having a lot of fun with us, check us out over on Patreon in the Boilz and Ghoulz Club. You're gonna get a lot of behind the scenes stuff over there and life vlogs from us weekly.
And if you Boilz and Goblins enjoyed this video, check out this one right here. You will enjoy that one as well.
Guys, as always, thank you for taking a little bit of your time to watch a little bit of our lives.
And until next time, Boilz and Ghouls.
Onward and upward.
Happy
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Time to go to another haunt! Woo!